record it because people don't believe me that it happens here. Those are not sirens from... It should last like 2 or 3 minutes or so. Or maybe less than that, maybe a minute or so. I never really recorded when I heard it. I'm in the house when I hear it. It's like they're testing in case of the minute or like 10 minutes before an earthquake starts. You'll know. They say it's not a drill is when it's a real thing. Drill is when they don't say anything. Yeah, but I want people to notice that this is real. Yeah, that wouldn't be good if the